Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, today I'm going to make hot and sour soup for you. To make this soup, the things that we need are I have taken some chicken with bones, as you can see, 2 carrots, 1 onion, some ginger, some garlic, and some spices. That includes cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. We need all these things to make broth. I will also use 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is black pepper powder. I am using 1 teaspoon of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. I will add all these things to make broth. Now take a large cooking pot and fill quarter of it with water. Put all these things in it and cook it on medium flame for 1 hour to make broth. Our broth is boiling and you can see foam on it. Remove this foam with a spoon. While broth is boiling, let me show you the ingredients that I will use to make this soup. I have taken some corns and I have boiled them already. I will add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. I have also taken some green onion and I'll put it in the soup, and 1 chicken cube also to make it more tasty. Take some cabbage and cut it. I have taken some chicken, some boneless chicken. It is 250 grams. I have added 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and some minced green pepper in it. Take some carrot and cut it in small pieces. I have taken some peas also. Again, green onion to put in soup, and some broccoli. Broccoli is very good for health, especially in winter in soup. So let me come toward the sauces. I will add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. As it is hot and sour soup, we will use all the sauces. Hot sauce 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. I will add all these sauces in the soup. Our broth is boiling. It is completely ready and I have strained all the things from it. Now I will add chicken in it. And mix it well so that chicken does not stick together. Now I will add peas in it and then carrots, because both these things need to be cooked more than other vegetables. After cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes, I will add the chicken cube in it and the chicken powder also. Add broccoli and cabbage. Mix all these things well and cook for another 10 minutes. After cooking it for 10 minutes, I will add all the sauces in it. After adding all the sauces in it, taste the soup, and if you feel that there is less salt or any other sauces, you can add it according to your taste. It's all up to your taste and up to your requirement. I am adding all the sauces in it. After adding it, mix it very well and cook the sauces for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add boiled corns also and mix them well with other things. Now I am adding the chicken from which I made broth. I have separated it from bones. Add it also because nothing should be wasted. Mix it well. Now it's time to add corn flour in it. I have taken 7 to 8 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it with cold water. And I am now mixing it in the soup. It's up to you. If you want to thick soup, you can add more corn flour, but if you don't want thick soup, 7 to 8 tablespoons will be okay. Now add egg in it. I have taken 3 eggs and put this mixture in the soup with a spoon like this. See the beautiful chunks of egg in the soup. So our soup is almost ready. Now I'm going to add green onion in it, and it's absolutely ready now. I have put it in a bowl, and in the end I'm going to garnish my soup with green onion. Now serve this soup with sauces, whatever sauces you like. Soya sauce, hot sauce, oyster sauce or vinegar, whatever you like. Delicious hot and sour soup is ready. I'm sure you will try this recipe at home and tell me in feedback about your experience of this soup. This is very delicious soup. Hope you like and enjoy my video. We'll come back with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.